We are on the Connector Trail. That is David, Mike, Todd, and me. It's great. We're having a great day. Zion National Park. Clouds are, we just looked back and saw those clouds, so on the upside, keeping the hot sun away from us for a while.
They're all because they're around this water that's right here, standing water.
Oh, I love it.
It's so pretty.
Yeah. Wow, peaceful. We're on the Wildcat Canyon Trail. And
Mike,
we're
stay there for a minute, will ya?
Listen.
Listen to those birds.
Hey, hey, at about mile, I'm guessing 22. I'm almost to the West Rim Trail. We split up a little. I wanted to look back. Look at how beautiful this is. Can kind of see that trail I just came down off of that. We were over there. So this is the Wildcat Canyon Trail that I'm still on. Come with me. It's been a great day. Hanging in there.